Welcome to our channel. If you want to claim free subscriptions through online marketplace promotional programs, follow these step-by-step instructions to leverage shopping platforms for entertainment and service benefits. Step 1. Create or log into accounts on major online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, or Target, as many bundle subscription services with their membership programs. Step 2. Review the benefits included with marketplace premium memberships, such as Amazon Prime's video and music offerings, or exclusive trial codes for partner services. Step 3. Look for promotional banners or dedicated landing pages within the marketplace that advertise limited-time offers for free subscription trials with qualifying purchases. Step 4. During major shopping events like Prime Day, Black Friday, or Cyber Monday, check for enhanced promotional offers that extend trial periods beyond standard durations. Step 5. Make qualifying purchases when promotions require a minimum transaction amount, ensuring your order meets all specified criteria for the free subscription offer. Step 6. After completing your purchase, check your email for promotional codes or visit the promotion section of your marketplace account to claim your subscription benefit. Step 7. Click through the marketplace's redemption link to the subscription service, which ensures proper verification of your purchase and eligibility for the promotional offer. Step 8. Activate your subscription using the provided code or automatic account linking. Then verify that the promotional period is correctly applied to your new subscription account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.